In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow money from Monzo Bank 2025. If you're planning to borrow through Monzo, everything happens inside the Monzo app. So let's walk through the full journey from start to finish. First, you'll need a Monzo current account. If you don't have one yet, download the app, sign up, and complete the in-app identity checks. It only takes a few minutes, and once your account is open, you're ready to explore borrowing options. Open the app and head to the area that covers borrowing. Depending on your version, you'll see a section called Borrowing or Loans within the main menu or on the Home tab. Tap into it to view what's available to you. This is where Monzo keeps all the tools you'll need to understand how much you can borrow and what it might cost. Start with the loan calculator. Enter the amount you're considering and choose a repayment term that fits your budget. As you adjust the numbers, you'll see an estimated monthly repayment and an example APR. Use this space to experiment. Try shorter terms to pay less interest overall, or longer terms to lower the monthly cost. Make sure the monthly figure leaves enough room for your usual bills and spending. Next, check your eligibility. Monzo typically runs a soft credit check at this stage, which won't affect your credit score. To get the most accurate result, ensure your personal details like address, income, and employment are up to date in the app. If you're eligible, you'll move forward to personalized options. Now review your loan offers carefully. Monzo will show the amount, the term, the exact APR you're being offered, your monthly repayments, and the total amount you'll repay. Read the summary box, look for any fees, and confirm the repayment date aligns with your payday. If you plan to overpay occasionally, check how that works and whether it changes your term or monthly amount. When you're happy, accept the offer. Take a moment to read the credit agreement in full, confirm the repayment schedule, and e-sign within the app. You may be asked to verify your identity again for security. Once you confirm, Monzo will process your loan. Finally, receive your funds. The money is deposited straight into your Monzo current account, often within minutes. Set up notifications so you never miss a repayment and consider creating a dedicated pot to keep funds for monthly installments. You can track your balance, upcoming payments, and any early repayments directly in the loans area. That's the process from opening your account to having the loan in your balance. Take your time, compare options, and only borrow what you can comfortably repay.